Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off TikTok notifications on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to see your TikTok messages or updates. How do you actually turn off those notifications? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that you're first going to open up your settings tab here, which is this gray icon. And then from this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. So click on notifications. And then next, you want to scroll all the way down until you find your TikTok application here. So click on TikTok. Now, I currently have my notifications for TikTok turned off, but your settings might look like this here. So go ahead right next to the allow notifications button. Go ahead and turn that off. And then there you have it. Now your notifications for TikTok on your iPhone have been turned off. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications for TikTok on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.